Mission Log. Itition Defense Corps. Cycle 7, record date 4419, Lieutenant Detana Spector. Parallel was assigned to the Veth Corridor. Extraction support. Routine classification. Or it should have been. Departure confirmed at 0600. He never arrived. What I'm about to recount is records from his field recordings, my own incident reports, and 17 years of trying to understand a decision that had no military justification and altering the course of two civilizations. It started with a signal. We didn't send.